Hey, have you ever wanted to create your own book cover without needing fancy design skills? You can totally do it using Canva. It's super easy to use and free. And I will show you how to make a professional looking cover for your KDP book in no time, ready to bring your book to life. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com and you'll find this page which is Canva. Alright? So hello everyone, I hope everything's doing well. First, and welcome back in another video. I'm glad to be here and show you the step-by-step how to create a KDP book cover with Canva.com. So what is Canva firstly? Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create all sorts of visual content like book covers, social media posts, and flyers without needing any design experience. It's perfect for making a custom KDP book cover because it has ready-made story templates and easy drag and drop features to help you design a professional looking cover in just a few steps. Alright, so let's get started. All I have to do right now is just come back to the top and you click over sign up to get started with inscription with Canva. Now just add your email address and your password, then you'll find other page which is this one as you can see, or you can just click over here and you select home and then you'll find this page as you can see. I already have an account, that's why we don't have here sign up and log in as well. That's why we have here my profile. We'll just click over home and you'll find this page which is Canva. Right, so this is the template when you should, this is the platform where you will choose the template that you want, or you can just click over create a design. But before, I will show you how you can modify the size and other things, because if I click over create a design, you'll find here the size of the book and also the height, and also if I want here the inches or the pixels or millimeters or centimeters as well. So I will just right now come back here to the browser and I will open my browser first, and then I will just dive into and search for KDP book cover template, and I will select here this one from the platform Amazon.com. Then you'll find this page. Here we have it. So we have a print cover calculator and templates. To find out the exact dimensions of your cover, use the calculator. You can also download template PDF and PNG to be used as a guide layer in your image editing software. Learn more about hardcover and paperback cover requirements. You have just firstly to select the pendant type. I will select here the paperback. Then about interior type, I will select the black and white or premium color or standard color as well. Then we have the paper type. I will select white paper. Then about reading direction, you will find here this one. Select one. I will select right to left. Then we have your measurement units. I will select millimeters as well. Then we have interior trim size. I will select, for example, this one, and you just select the one you think or the one you want. About the page count, we have here number of pages at your formatted trim size. I will select, for example, 100. Then I will just right now click over calculate dimensions, and here we have this page, and this is the book or KDP book, how it looks. Right now all I have to do is just see all dimensions such as here the width and height. For example, we have here millimeters. I will just come back right now because I didn't choose millimeters. I will just choose inches. So I will just select here paperback, standard type, white paper, about here right to left, measurement units. I will select inches of course. Then we have here how much. We'll select this one. Then about this one I already add here 100 for just an example, and I will select here calculate dimensions, and here we have it entered here. Alright, so we will have the width and the height. Right now I will just come back to the Canva, but firstly I will download it or calculate dimensions if you want. And here we have the calculation of dimensions as you want. Then I will just click over download template, and here we have it downloading as well. So here we have it as you can see. So it's download. I will just add it like that, and I will click over save here. And right now I will just come back to the Canva, and I will just click over create a design as I said. Then I will add this one. So I forget it. I will just come back right now. So as you can see here, we have it right now. We have width 10.97. Can you help me to remember 10 dot what is it, 97? Thank you. Then we have here about the height. Let's come back because I forget it again. We have here 8.25. Let's come back. It is 8 dot, where is it? 25. Thank you. Then we have units here, which is inches or pixels or millimeter. We have here inches. I select inches, as you can see. We'll just select again inches here. I will double click over create new design, and you'll find this page. As you can see, it's for designing, as you can see. So let's just waiting for, we have here various things that could help you to design your template as well. Alright, so right now all I have to do is just select the template that you think it's better. For example, I will select here book, and I will add the book. For example, I will just add here KDP book, KDP book cover, and I will select it right now. And here we have the KDP book, and we have the examples. Also, you can just go to the elements and you write here KDP book, and I will just select here the photos, and here we have the KDP book, how it looks. All right, as you can see, for our photos, you can just select the one you want, but I already downloaded, and I will just click for upload files, and I will just select here download. So let's just select in here download, or I will just here click over download in the right, in the left, sorry, and I will just click over all filters files, and I will select this one. Then I will just click over open, and you will find it here, as you can see. And right now let's just see it how it looks. I will just select this one, then I will just click over here to see it how it looks, and here we have it, as you can see. So we have paper book, cover template right to left, and some things of the details of the size and the spine fold, life area, and other things. Alright. Also, we have here other things that could help you. For example, I will just select here this background if I like it. I'll put here the size, as you can see. And right now I will just do here, put it like that. And here we have it, how it looks. All right, so this is it. Right now, if you want to add something here, for example, if you want to add text, I will just click over here, that will add a heading. Then I will just right now come back and I'll put it here in the middle, in the top. Then I will just add a subheading like that. Sorry, I will just right now come back like that. And here we have it. Right now I'll just put this one here. Then we'll add whatever you want. For example, add a little bit of patty text like that. And you modify also the size. For example, if I click here, I'll modify the color first, then the size, the bold one if I want the italic alignment as well. And also we have here if you want to draw, and also if you want to upload something. If you want to also here record yourself by clicking over record yourself, and you restart recording. And here we have a 3, 2, 1, and you start recording yourself, and you click over save and exit if you want. Once you click over done, and then I will just click over exit, and I will click over exit without saving, and here we have how it looks. For now we have just to click over share, and it downloaded your KDP book after choosing all the things that you want. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.